So we are going to see what ABAP is. Generally, ABAP is the language which is used in SAP BI as well as other SAP tools. So it is very important to know, understand the ABAP, because whenever you get the errors and whenever you have to debug for the troubleshooting, you should be able to understand at least the ABAP, so that you would know what the problem is, and when the errors come up, you will see that in everything is in ABAP programming. So it is very important to know ABAP because there is a programming language that SAP uses. And in ABAP, just like in any other programming, there are variables, and there are three types of variables. So there are simple variables, structured variables, and internal tables. So these are basically memory locations which are used in the programming, so that we can do some editing in the program while doing the program. So in a programming language, while you are doing the coding, you will create a memory location, and while writing the code, and then you will declare it first, and then you will use it, and then you will, it will be virtual. You are not going to create a structure or variable for permanent most of the time. Except in few times we create, there are structures we create, table type structures in ABAP. But generally, variables are used to, hold some value dynamically, and by holding it, we can edit the actual data and data in the tables, etc. And then we will produce the output. So for that purpose, variables are used. So a simple variable is nothing but one column. This is called simple variable because it is only a single memory location. So it is a single memory location, and which holds a single item, single object, like 50, or maybe 8, if it is a character string. Like that, it will hold some value, a single value. So it is called simple variable. And when a structure, what is a structure? Structure is an array of simple variables. So it is like this. So this is a complete record. Structure, or in our terms, this is the fields. These are the fields. Like these are the array of simple variables, and these are the fields which we create. So it can hold a complete record. So this is used to hold a complete record. So what is a table? A table is it is consists of more than one structure and more than one record. So it can hold more than one record. So it is a table. This is a table. So table is it consists of more than one record. So it is a table. So it can hold array of like a group of records. I mean, as many records as we want. Like if when we are creating a table, we can give the length of the table, and